So we have C300 on the ground, 2008. We are trying to detect the Carstero. The customer said that the Carstero is not working, so we are trying to detect it. You can see I'm trying to power the Carstero. It's not on. No, there's no lights. So we're trying to shake the issue. So we're going to be pulling out the Carstero to shake if there is current on the wire. So pulling up the Carstero. So you can see the red wire. The red wire, that is the direct current that can supply the Carstero power to power the Carstero. But I think that there was no light in the red wire. So we are trying to detect the fault. Trying to detect the fault in the bonnet. We're trying to open the bonnet to detect the fault to find out what is wrong with it. So we are trying to go to the fuse box on the vehicle. So trying to go to the fuse box. So this is where the fuse box is normally located on the Mercedes 2008 C300. So you open the bonnet, trying to detect the fuse box. So look at the fuse box. You're going to open the fuse box. There's a fuse that normally control the Carstero. So we're trying to look if the fuse is cut or is not in place well. So you look at, there's a fuse 1.5 written there. There's a blue fuse 1.5 left in there. That is the Carstero fuse. So I think the fuse wasn't cut. So we are trying to have it in place very well, because there was no current that bypassed the direct current. So we are trying to replace it very well. Trying to replace it to know that everything is in okay. So I'm closing it back. So we're going to try to go to the Carstero and see if there is power on the Carstero. So we are closing the bonnet. So I'm trying to go back and check if there's power on the Carstero. So this is going to tell if our work is finally done. Yes, you can see the Carstero is now on. Anytime you have this kind of issue, you can easily go to when you find out that there's no current that pass through the direct current, that is the red wire. So you can easily go to the current and check if there's current. So if there's no current, you can go to the bonnet, check if that fuse. It is not powered now. You can see everything is working properly well. You can see the Carstero is now working perfectly. So if you have any of your your C300 2008, 2010, your GLK 2008, 2010, 2013, you that have Carstero issue. It can't be the Carstero, sometimes it can be the issue. So it can be the fuse issue. So what you are going to do is to go to the bonnet and constrict the fuse that is not in order, or it have caught. You are going to just replace them and you are good to go. Thank you.